Hey guys, so we have another rooster roundup for our local FFA, and I decided to cull like a lot of my ducks. So like get rid of a lot of my ducks. They're just they're getting too big. And I usually only process the drakes, and I still have like 10 ducks in my freezer. I don't need to process them, but I can help raise money, and that's cool. So we're gonna do that, and in the meantime help me out by cutting down my feed costs. And most likely when they're getting auctioned, they're not going to be auctioned for food. Look at, there's a bunch of them. They're going to be you know, probably going to homes with like ponds and stuff. That's what I hope. Anyways, so they like to go on my porch. So it's your last day on my porch, guys. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure how many I'm getting rid of and how many I'm keeping. What I am sure is that I've been feeding them in my corral area where my chicken nursery is. It's where it's a sectioned area where I have squared off for in cases like this where I need to herd an animal and it's a small area. So anyways, I've been feeding them in that area, training them to go in there, and so on days that I need to catch them, I've learned to, like the first few weeks beforehand, I just don't feed them through the feeder. I turn that off, and I make them rely on me, and so they come in the area where I want them to. So I've been feeding them in my little corral area, I call. And so they're, by this evening, they'll be in there waiting for me, waiting to be fed, poor things. And what we're going to do is I'm going to separate males and females. So I know for sure I'm getting rid of all the drakes except for 3 of my favorite. They're my oldest drakes, keeping those. And then my oldest females. And I know who's who, but I don't know if I'm going to get rid of like how many of my new hens I'm going to get rid of. I'm not sure. So that's why I want to separate them into different cages. I'm going to do males and females. So I need to, we're going to build another cage here. I only have one poultry cage that I've always utilized, and I've used like tow buckets with a baby gate lit on top of it for a lid. But I need another poultry one. I have, like I said, I'm saying I have one poultry okay, let me redo that. I have one poultry cargo, what's it called? I have one poultry carrier. Yeah, that's what it's called. So alright, so I have one poultry carrier, and I need 2 because I want to, I've been working with one poultry carrier for a while, and I needed another one anyways. And this will help me separate the males and females. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the males in, the drakes in one, and the hens in the other. And then for sure we're getting rid of the drakes. But that way I have the hens all in one area. I can really look at them and see which hens I'm going to keep out of my new bunch. So after all is said and done, I want to get rid of at least 5 or 6. I probably should get rid of 8 because I have like 40 ducks. Seriously, I have 40 ducks. Probably get rid of like at least 8 of them, maybe. We'll see. So here is, we got it from Amazon. I'm going to open it really fast. We're going to put it together. They're really easy. And actually, my first one was like $100 a while ago. And they're actually only like, it was like 50 bucks. So that's good. We're going to put it together. And we'll have 2 cages. And we're going to do it this evening. And so what's cool is that last time I had to do it in the evening and be there like at 6 p.m. and that's hard. to, you know, because you don't want to catch them, and it's summertime, you know, when I had to do it. So you don't want to catch them that day and leave them in the cage all day long. That would have been, so I had to wait till an hour before we had to meet up. So this time they're having it early in the morning, which is perfect because I can catch them this evening. It's fine leaving them in these cages to sleep all night, you know. So, and then first thing in the morning, I can pick them up and put them in my truck, and they're going to take them to auction the same day. I think it's just easier all around on their part too, so they don't have to care for them the night before, because then they would have to feed and everything, and then take them to auction. That just makes for long time for all the poultry involved. So this way it's easier, less stressful on everything and me. So we're gonna put this together so it's ready for when Sean gets home, and this evening hopefully it goes smooth. I'll film it. It's funny. I was trying to get the poultry this time though. I don't have babies, so when I had the babies the last time, I had to trick those babies into going in my garage because babies are able to go through fencing, and there's no place on my property that I could have cornered them but my garage. And so it made it a little bit harder for me to catch the other ones, because I can't train them to go into two places for food. So this time I don't have to train the babies to come in my garage. I could just focus on the adults. See, they don't even hear my voice. They're like, "Are you feeding me?" And no, I'm not. Let's go look. These ones I'm getting for sure. So this is their own little, not them. Those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 for sure have their own little group. So I think it'd be easier. Oh, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Might be just easier to get rid of that flock. I want to keep one of the white and gray ones though. But yeah, I might get rid of that flock. Because I have another flock that's like more my favorite. And they're all stuck together. And they'll be auctioned together, and then they'll be fine because they have each other. Normally people don't just buy separate. They usually buy them as a flock at auction, so. Anyways, let's put this thing together. It's really easy. I'm gonna open it up and you'll see. Okay. We'll have it ready to rock and roll here. This one's a little bit nicer. You know, I purchased, this is from the same company. It says I bought this before, but it's nicer than the one I have. So I can already tell it has a mat in it, which is cool because the slats, they poop through. I usually line cardboard in there. So that's nice to have a mat. Yeah, usually you want to line like cardboard or something. Zip ties. To keep them from getting their feet caught or poop through. Ducks, you're not getting fed right now. They're right over there. They're watching me. You guys are going to auction. Except for if you see a black one with the all white head, it's the oldest one. She actually had, that's gray feathers. It's interesting. Ducks get gray. She was all black. She's my oldest one. I think she's like at least 8 years old. She could be older. I'm not feeding you guys. I'm not feeding you guys. You guys are going away. Okay. They're coming to me.
Yeah, that group is the one I'm going to thin out. I have 3 separate flocks now. And when you know you have separate flocks, you're getting a little too many. We got more to cut here. A little too many here. Yeah, I really just, I processed duck for 3 years straight, and I really need a break on that. It's just one of the hardest poultry to process, and it's not the wax in their feathers, it's not that, it's the little pin feathers. Just getting all those little feathers off. I mean, there's not the oils. People like that never process duck probably think it's because the oil glands. No, it's nothing at all like that. It's just getting plucking them clean. Dry plucking is actually a lot easier to do. There's a rooster that hangs out with these ducks, I'm telling you. I don't know why he hangs out with these ducks. Oh, it's not a rubber mat. It's like cardboard. But it's cool. You can clean it. Anyways, yeah. Let's see. It's pretty self-explanatory. I think you want to make sure, I think you got to put in the sides first. Let's make sure. One time I had to undo it. It's the hardest thing to undo. The first one I did, I had to actually undo it because I put it in upside down. Don't put it in upside down. You have to get, if you accidentally do that, there's these tabs right here, and you just have to pry this plastic apart from those tabs using screwdrivers, you know, where it slides in, and just pry it open and pull. It's a little difficult, but you can do it. Alright, so yeah, so we're going to do the handles. Make sure the handles, that's what it is. The handles holes go up. So turn the base around, opposite side. Well, okay, so we're going to make, it says do the handles. Make sure the handles are up. That's the handle part. Okay, it says to do that. The end pieces first. Alright, yeah, do the end pieces first. You got your little cages here. Got your little cage here. Hopefully it didn't mess up. I didn't. There's that door. Got the door. So it's a little, I don't know, the door is a little, I'm not sure if I like this door thing either. They have ones where that you swing, you push in opposite. So yeah, there's a door here if you need it. Make sure the handle and the door is facing the right way. There. And now this one, it says turn base around so that you're facing the long side. Line up the pegs of the longer side wall over the holes in the base. Make sure the longer side walls is on the inside of the ledge of the 2 shorter walls. Okay. Yeah, make sure that's on the inside. Just saying. I think that's how it goes. There's no left or right. Just make sure it's on the inside. There. Okay. Make sure this is on the inside. Alright. Now just the lid. You duckies. You duckies. These things pinch your fingers. This pinches my fingers on my other one. Okay, get them all lined up perfectly. Line up perfectly. Before you put yours down, make sure the sliding part's out there. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. There, all done. That's how you do it. There you go. I like this plastic thingy inside. Let's see if it stays put though. It might not. I guess it stays put. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna put the boys in here. Why does it look smaller than my other one? It looks a little bit smaller. This is smaller. That's interesting. Oh, maybe that's why it was cheaper. Yeah, we'll do it side by side and you'll see. It's a little bit taller though. My other one's probably a foot longer. Well, got it ready. You ducks, I think you'll find a home with a lake or water or something. This group, not all of them, because some of the group is the old. But we have 3 drakes in this group alone. We can't have that. It'd be so nice if they just came right up to me. But, I mean, they stay a nice little distance. They get close enough to get food. Not time to eat yet. I can't put you in your crates. I'm going to do it when the sun sets. When the chickens go to bed, because the chickens will be trying to get the food too, and I can't have all of them getting food. So I'll feed the chickens in their coop. Get them out of the way. And the second flock that I'm keeping, there's a whole nother flock out there, and there's 2 of them. But those ones I'm not going to mess with. It's this one. This is my newer one. They're not as at home. There's a couple OGs in here. The white one, there's only, actually the black one with the neck, and the white one with the white face, and then the white one. So the white one's a drake. He has no drake feather. I'm keeping the white one. He's a pecking duck. Supposed to be anyways. Keeping him. Look at the black ones are good meat birds. Look at the meat. They're big and thick though. You want to keep, because I do meat. They're for meat. I don't want to keep the skinny ones. So the skinny gray ones have runner in them, and I didn't want that. So that's why I'm also rehoming them. I want, you know, because really the only useful meat on these meat ducks is the breast meat anyways. So anyways, we're going to do rooster roundup. I'll film getting them. And people watching me, drive by watching me vlog. I've been so busy. So this area I'm standing in looks a mess because this is where I break down all my boxes and stuff for trash day. So I just have boxes here. I break them up all the time. Gotta break up more. Yeah, this is my little area because I get so many packages. Yeah, too many. But the thing, Sean's like, you get too many packages. I'm sure everybody says that. But the thing is it's the same amount of stuff I would buy, probably less. Because when I go to town, I don't put things in boxes, right? But I don't go to town anymore, so I don't shop. I probably shop less, not more. It just looks a lot because of all the boxes. They put boxes and boxes and boxes. You get one thing, and it's boxed in 3 different boxes. It's ridiculous. I rant. Alright, so when the sun's gonna go down, we're gonna catch these ducks in my corral, and I'll just film that. I utilize my dogs actually in catching my animals. Boots and Roxy are trained. The puppies aren't trained yet. They're still on that delicate phase where you don't want them chasing your animals. They need to not be. So when you have shepherds like mine, it takes a little bit to teach them not to eat your animals, your poultry, and they don't eat my poultry. There's a couple times I got them, But they learn their lesson. They know not to eat the poultry. They're really good about it. And so when they're still young and still in that phase of just learning, you know, basically not to eat your poultry, you don't want to have them then turn around and have them chase them with you either. Not yet. So same thing with Boots and Roxy. Roxy, she won't dare touch these animals now. She's older, but when she was younger, she brought in a few ducks through the dog door. So, but now she's like 3. She's mature enough. She knows better. It's ingrained. So now I use her and Boots, same thing, to help me chase my animals down, like my rabbits or my. Hey, Bear, no. My rabbits or my ducks or my chickens, they help when I say, they know. So I'll teach the puppies to do that when they're older, because I don't want to erase the training of not to. Hey, Bear. Bear is watching these rabbits. Look at a little stampede. Bear. No, Bunny. Come on. He loves watching rabbits. Come on. He just sits there and watches them. He doesn't know where the entrance is, and we're going to keep it that way. Because he's still in that phase of learning what's to protect and what's not. He's having the hardest time with the rabbits because he likes the rabbits. But when they're in cages, he wants to get them. And he doesn't want to eat them. He just wants to see them. I already said that in several videos. All right, let's wait till evening. Come on, go ahead and go run. Run. They think there's someone. There's no one here. There's no one here. This is a nice big box for something. You know, I'm gonna keep this box for. I have chickens I'm gonna put in their house. I like to put a box in when I put chickens in the nursery, little baby chicks. It's always nice to have a big box in them for them to hide in. Hey! She's a nuisance to her mom. She's all bark and no bite, believe me. They're just playing. Okay, let's wait for the sun to set. She's so funny. Oh, it's hot. Alright, so it's like an hour and a half before the sun goes down. I've been out here watering my food forest, and when I do that, the flock that I really want to keep comes to me. And so I was able to separate them from the main flock. I don't want to put them in distress. So this is the little flock I'm keeping right here. See? This is the one I'm keeping, and the main flock, they're all over here. The chickens are in the way though. So I have them in the area I need them. And I need the chickens gone. But we're gonna catch them now. I just gotta put food down. So they can't get through now. They can't get through now.
I know, but it's just a lot less of a hassle if you just lock it in the house.
Alright, so here they come. We got these chickens in my way though.
Didn't you need to do anything?
Yeah, I need your help.
Do what?
We gotta catch them.
You're catching.
I need you to come in here. Let's put the dogs up. Okay, you're staying here, you little Drake. You're staying right here. I locked the little hole up, so hopefully the ducks that I want to keep won't go through. So all of them are in here, and even the white one that I want. Yay! So I'm gonna put feed in there, and we'll hurt them. All right, doggies, come on, come here.
Robin.
We're gonna lock them up because they just wanna. I don't want to teach the new puppies bad behavior. Me and you are going this way. Oh, you locked the door?
Yeah.
Okay. Stay. Stay. So anyways, I actually fed the ones I want to keep too, and I was able to feed them so they won't try to run to the food, you know?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna pick through. Yeah, see how they went. The ones that they're not sure where to go. Okay, I'm gonna go put food in there. They keep on following back and forth. That white-headed one, that's Mom. I gotta keep her. But all the other ones. All right, let's get some food here for you.
There's only one duck in there.
There's a bunch. There will be. Hold this. Once they get food in.
Oh, they slid through the gate right there.
That's the gate that I have open so they come. The other one's closed. This is the one that was open for them to come. Bring that cage. Put it right here. The net is by the TV.
I mean, don't you need to like close this?
Yeah, but the net is by the TV. We might need it. So once I get him in, I'm gonna block.
The net is by the TV.
Where we had the rabbit pinned. Where we pinned the rabbit, remember? Alright. So this is my little corral area / nursery. When we pinned the rabbit,
What's that mean? Getting the rabbit?
when we pinned it and got it and ate and skinned it by the TV, he doesn't speak English. Alright. I'm gonna feed these ducks and then lock them in here. Waiting for Sean. Oh, so my neighbor, the one I gave, that one batch I raised 20 chickens, and we made the eggs cold to make sure, see if we get more roosters, or more hens and less roosters. Well, we got 6 roosters out of 20, so that's pretty good odds. And I have the 6 of them in here, and we're gonna take to the thing. So she came back to me, and I'm gonna take it to the rooster roundup also. I'll probably get them in the morning. They'll be easy. Okay, now lock yourself in. Gotta lock you in. Now we need you to hide. Okay, don't use the net until if I need you to.
What do you mean hide?
Hide in a corner. Just don't move. Just don't move, muscle.
Damn, those chickens that big.
Don't move a muscle.
Those turkeys are huge too.
Alright. Okay, so. And we're gonna let them run in these corners here.
come in here. I'll close it. You just gotta walk them in here. Just walk them in here. Just walk the ducks in here.
Right there.
Close the gate.
I know, but the other ones are the ones I want. I gotta get these ones. Girls quack, boys don't. The ones that are if they're quacking, try not to get them. Oh, that's mama.
Some of these are the ones you want.
The ones that aren't quacking. Is that quacking? These are all girls.
Why are you even collecting girls? I thought you were getting rid of them.
I'm trying.
Why are you getting rid of those?
I'm not. I'm putting them away. Look here so we don't pick them again.
Get this one. Get it! Oh, damn it. Why is he making noise?
This is a boy.
I know.
Hear it? This is a boy. Lion boy. You're a beautiful boy. Oh,
Here,
there.
grab it.
This boy might keep. But then I might keep this boy.
Come on, you guys.
I might keep this boy. He's a pretty boy. Huh? Her? This one's a girl. Which is a boy? You're not a boy. But I don't need you. I don't want you. That white one? Yeah, that's mom. That's a boy.
Fucking bucket.
That one's
Damn stupid bucket. Look at the
that one's
bucket.
a girl. That's this
Just
one's a
standing
boy.
there. You gotta let it help me.
I'm hurting him.
You're not doing anything. There, yeah, you literally help me.
This is a boy. We got 3 boys. Wait, that's a girl. That's a girl.
Is that good enough?
I just can't have that many boys. I have 3 boys in here. Hold on.
Is that good? Look at this guy. Look at this one. He's sitting there in the corner. He's
Is
just
that a
like,
boy?
he's just being quiet. He's not. Look at him. He's like, don't look at me. Don't look at me. I'm not here. You can't see me.
Try to get it in
He's
the
like,
flat.
he's like, you can't see me. I'm hidden.
Oh, it's a girl.
Yeah, leave that one.
Wait,
He's surviving. She's surviving.
hold on. I have just too many.
What do you mean you have too many?
I just have too many birds. I need to even thin out. Wait. That's a boy. That gray one back there, I have to have
Hey,
him.
hold on.
He's outside.
Okay. Oh well.
No, I need him. He's a runner and I can't have him. Here.
You want to get used to it, and you want to get the hardest ones.
Yeah.
Here, that's you. You get it.
Okay. And I'm going to chase him into here. And you're going to give
Hold
him.
on. And then I'm gonna get.
This one's an ugly one. Let's try to get this one
Yes.
first. This is ugly.
Honey, can we get him?
The gray ones. Oh, right here. He's smashed. The gray one, boy one right there, smashed in between. You can grab on here. We're getting him. You're ugly.
Move him.
It's over there.
I know. Go outside the gate and just
No,
push
it's
him.
in here.
I know.
Oh.
Go outside the gate and push him with your hand through the gate so he goes out this way.
I can grab him.
Well, then grab him with your hand.
Yeah.
There you go. Boom.
This one's a boy.
Boom.
We have 3 boys. How many boys in there? 3 and 2 girls, right?
I guess. Oh, look at, honey, they're gonna die.
That's it.
Alright. That was easy enough.
All right.
How many's in here? There, keep it. This is a nice big one. Wait,
I'm gonna jump off.
is this a girl? Or, oh, it's a girl. I don't know if I'm. Yeah, I don't want this one. It's just skinny. You know what I mean? Just skinny. I'm gonna have plenty of babies again.
Oh, that's your holding pin?
Huh?
That's your holding pin?
Yeah, this is my holding pin.
fine. They're hiding. They're hiding. They're like, the ducks are funny.
How many,
Like you
how
can't see.
many,
I don't know anything, so don't ask me.
Okay, do you have a green? Get rid of one more white one. I don't need all these white, green, white ones. Actually, I should probably just. Are they okay together?
I have no idea. I don't know. Why are you asking me?
There's one drake in here I think is really pretty. That was a big fat one. Should I keep this one? Or female?
I don't know why you're asking me if we should keep anything.
Maybe, but it was my opportunity to get rid of a lot. You know? I don't know. There's one drake in here. I have 3 drakes. I need enough things for 3 drakes. You know? How many do I have in this?
I don't know. 10.
I like 6. I should probably just get rid of this one too. This one is the one I
Why
was
don't you split
thinking.
them up in those two? I don't understand. Why don't you split
Because I
them
have the
up?
wristers.
What?
I have wristers in my helmet.
Are you taking those two?
Yeah. In the morning.
You don't need me for that.
Well, no, I don't have to get him until morning. Or should I get him now?
I don't know.
Should probably
I'd
get
like
him.
to let me out though.
Hold on. This one
Come on.
drake is really pretty,
I don't care. Come on.
but I have 3 drakes.
That's fine. Let me out. How do you open this?
Okay.
Open sesame.
Hold on, we gotta get the wristers now.
Oh, you're gonna get the
No, I need you to help me.
help you what?
They're gonna take my eyes out. These
They're not.
roosters. They're gonna go to bed anyway, so it's probably best just to do it now. Rooster. Rooster, rooster. Okay, one rooster. Two rooster. I think that was a girl.
Got it?
Yeah, he almost got away. 3,
Just get one more.
2 more.
well. Look at his head, too. Look at his head. That's badass.
These are the
His
mean
head
ones.
flared.
These are the mean ones.
Yeah, that's a mean one.
Wow.
That's crazy.
I think that the other one's a girl. Does it look like a girl to you?
It's more than the other ones, sure.
I don't hear it grow. I'm gonna keep it in here. I'm gonna if I could. That's a rooster. It had one fancy feather. I wasn't sure. See how the little feathers on the side?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a rooster. It's called a saddle. But that other one, I don't think it's a rooster. I don't think it has saddle feathers. What do you think?
I don't know. So just leave this open?
We're gonna spray them with water.
Can we leave this door open then?
Um,
You gonna get it?
I think it's a girl. Let me see how it's fair. See how you have those spurs?
No idea. Let me know.
Take these.
Yeah.
We
I
gotta
need to get
water
out,
them.
though.
We gotta water them. All right, all done. Go spray water on them, and then I'm going early in the morning. So there's that. And that's how you round up ducks. Talk to you later. Peace.